Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. This Elevation is powered by the brand new 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights. We have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated chili braking system and USB ports. All black interior to the Elevation here as well, and our heated cloth seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Bridgestone all-season tires, black alloy wheels, color-matched door handles with keyless entry all around, Elevation on the front door, Duramax plaque on the front fender. Coming to the front of the vehicle, LED daytime running lamps as well as turn signals and fog lights. We do have the blacked out grille. We have rear tinted privacy windows and remote start X31 off-road package. We do have a color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, and the GM Multi-Pro tailgate. Jumping into the interior of the Elevation Sierra, we have the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. End seat storage feature and a solid rear window with defrost. LED lighting up top with dual extra head-out cutoffs there, and we do have dual USB ports in the back for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra Elevation. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.